This also you're going to love it from the day one itself. So this is how it comes. The prices I'll mention in the description box. Like they are looking for some solution related to skin brightening, age, anti-pigmentation and anti-aging. Then this is the oil the face oil you should go for. Now I could not resist myself as soon as I got my hands on this sunscreen. So I have got my hands on one of the sunscreen which the YouTubers are really promoting a lot. Not only promoting, I got a very good review. So I have already used this pack earlier. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Mandy Talks, and today I'm here with a big box. You can see this is from Nykaa. So last week there was a sale going on, as in hot pink sale in Nykaa. So today I'm going to share this box with you, the entire box, what all the stuffs I got it in hot pink sale. अभी भी सेल चल रहा है. हॉट पिंक सेल तो ख़त्म हो चुका है, बट इंडिपेंडेंस डे का सेल चल रहा है. तो अगर आपको इसमें से कुछ भी प्रोडक्ट्स पसंद आते हैं तो डेफिनेटली यू कैन गो अहेड एंड परचेस इन दिस इंडिपेंडेंस सेल डे सेल. अभी भी 3 से 4 दिन बाकी है सेल कंप्लीट होने पे. तो डू द मैक्सिमम ऑफ इट. Do purchase max of the stuff. So let's get started. I'll just share what are the things I got purchased. So let's get started. So before starting with the products, मैंने क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट खरीदे हैं, I just want to give a disclaimer कि सभी प्रोडक्ट्स के लिंक्स डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे दिए होंगे with the price, जो ओरिजिनल प्राइस कितना है and in how much price I got it in sale. So without wasting, let's get started. So moving on, the first category we are moving with the face wash. This is the first face wash I got. This is from Simple Moisturizing. As you know, I just want to add that I have a dry skin. That's the reason. Those who have dry skin, you can definitely go ahead and purchase. ये सेल पे था. I got a pack of 2. बहुत ही reasonable price पे मिला है. So those who have dry skin, do try this out. I am pretty sure you will never regret. Now coming to the next, I got some moisturizers. Now in moisturizers, the first moisturizer which I got is from Nivea Soft. This is the best moisturizer I have gone through. Now coming to, there were a lot of good sale amount going on in moisturizer, so I thought of trying other as well apart from like Nivea. So the next moisturizer which I got is from Pond's. This is the Super Light Gel Moisturizer. And the next moisturizer is from Lakme. This is their Peach Milk Moisturizer. This is how it looks. So I have reviewed a lot of products, and after going through a lot of study, I thought of trying this Lakme. This is a new purchase for me, so I'm not sure how it is going to work out on my skin. I'm definitely gonna update you once I start using it. Now coming to the next product, if you have if you're looking for some good detan mask, then I would suggest you the first mask in detan which I got is from the Nature's Essence. This is the Detan Therapy Wipe Off Mask. This is how the packaging looks like. Now this is a huge box. Because I have already used it earlier, this works wonder. आप इसे एक बार लगा कर देखो, डेफिनेटली दिस इज़ गोइंग टू गिव यू ब्रिलियंट रिजल्ट्स. यू आर गोइंग टू लव इट, एंड यही रीज़न है कि मुझे ये इतना पसंद आया है. दिस इज़ द biggest tub I have got for this, and this will definitely last you for a very long time. This is how it looks. So I think in sale this costed me something around 800 rupees, and this is a big tub. So this is something around 500 grams of the product. Now let me open and show you. This is how the product looks like. Now you need not do anything. You have to just apply this as a mask. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes until this dries up. Now after it dries, you just massage a little and just wash with a little lukewarm water, or you can go off and wash with a normal water as well. But do try this out. This will start giving you results from the very first attempt. Now again one more I would like to suggest you in detanning. If you are looking for some daily cleanser in detanning and some facial cleansing, like facial brightening mask, then this is the mask I want to recommend you. This is from the Tribe Concept. This is purely natural and organic mask. This is a little costly, but I must say that you should try this out, because this also you're going to love it from the day one itself. So this is how it comes. The prices I'll mention in the description box. I have got a tin pack of it because this is my first purchase. I wanted to try it out. I heard a lot of YouTuber like saying a lot of stuff about this product, so this is my first purchase. Definitely I'll share the details how it looks. Now this also comes in a pouch. It depends upon you how you want to purchase. I got a tin pack first because this is my first attempt, so I'll just save it for future if I really like it. Now this, you have to just open it. This is how it looks. It comes with a little spoon as well. This is the mask. Now for different skin conditions, like different skin types, you can apply and make a mask according to your preference. You can go ahead and use it with normal water, with gulab gel, or if you can also use and make a paste out of raw milk. So this is completely your choice, but yeah, this is one which I have got from the Tribe Concept. This is in a new category for deep cleansing. Now apart from this, I got one more product from the similar brand, that is the 24K Kumkumadi Telam. Now this is also for someone, those who are having issues like they are looking for some solution related to skin brightening, age, anti-pigmentation and anti-aging. Then this is the oil the face oil you should go for. Now I could not resist myself as soon as I got my hands on this. This I have been trying from 1 week. I am shooting this video after a week. I have used this oil for 1 week, and you won't believe that this is giving beautiful results. I would highly recommend this oil. This is how the packaging looks like, and I'll just open and show you. This is the oil is a little thick, but as soon as you apply it to your face, it gets absorbed quickly. And this is how the oil looks like. You just need to put 1 drop. You can see the consistency, and it easily gets absorbed to the skin, easily. You need not see how beautifully this gets absorbed. So this is definitely, if you're looking for something, a facial oil for anti-aging, anti-pigmentation, or for facial brightening, this is the oil I would highly recommend. Do use it for 1 month. This is definitely gonna give you good results, and moreover this is a complete Ayurvedic formula, so this will this doesn't have any fragrance also, so I don't think it'll be bad for your skin, so you can definitely give it a try. Now as we are in skincare category, so how can we forget sunscreen? So I have got my hands on one of the sunscreen which the YouTubers are really promoting a lot. Not only promoting, I got a very good review. So I have already used this pack earlier. I have already emptied 1 pack of this, and this is my second purchase from La Shield. This is from La Shield matte sunscreen, and this is in SPF 50 plus and PA+++. So this is dermatologically tested, and I'll just show you how it looks. So this is very good for someone who has a dry and a combination skin. So you can definitely go ahead with this. This doesn't leave any white cast, and it doesn't make the skin greasy. This is a matte formula, as mentioned. This is completely matte, so you should definitely give it a try, and moreover this is under 500, so you will really love this sunscreen. I'll just show you in my hand how the formula is. This is a very light formula and doesn't leave any kind of white cast. Can you see how easily and smoothly just this glided on my skin without leaving any white cast, and I need not rub a lot. It easily got absorbed in the skin. And this is now coming to one more product. I have got a body sunscreen. This is from Nivea, and this is also in SPF 50 plus, PA triple plus plus plus. This protects from UVA and UV protection. This has vitamin E and moisturizer. So this is my first purchase. I haven't used it yet, so I'll not be able to say you how it is, but definitely I've read a lot of review about it, so I'm looking forward to it. I'll definitely let you know how it works. Now moving to the next category, I got a BB cream that is from Pond. So there is not much to explain about it. Everyone knows about this product. So I am here in the shade Ivory. So this is my next purchase. This is my, again, I have used a lot of tube for this. So this is the next product. Now coming to the skincare category, I have got my hands on this beautiful serum that is from L'Oreal Paris. This is the Extraordinary Oil Serum. Now I have already used and I have emptied one bottle of this, and you won't believe, guys, like this works like a magic. So if you are looking for a good serum within budget, I would highly recommend this. And this is like a daily routine. So this is infused with 6 flowers, extracted flowers oil, and this can be used as a heat protectant, and normally also you can use it in your hairs. You would really love this. If you have frizzy hair, then you can really go ahead, try this once. You are really going to love it. Now my next purchase is the 2 eyeliners which I have got from Lakme. So I think there is not much to explain on it. This is my always go-to favorite eyeliner. I have been using the black eyeliner from a very long time. This blue one is a new purchase, so I'll just show you how it looks. So this is how this is the color. This is a beautiful blue, and after some time, like, it becomes matte. This is not a glossy, this is a matte eyeliner. So if you're looking for a good eyeliner within budget, I think this, I got it in 89 rupees. So this is a really long lasting, as in it really lasts for very long days, guys. And coming to the stuff, it doesn't wash away with normal water. So I would suggest this eyeliner. You must try this out from Lakme. Now my next purchase is this eyebrow definer kit that is from Pack. Now this comes in 3 shades. I'll just show you how the packaging looks like. This is how it comes in 3 shades. There's black, brown and a light brown color. So, and also a brush in between. So this is an eyebrow definer I got, and this is a very beautiful grayish black color, and this definitely goes very good with my eyebrows and my skin tone, so I really love it. Now my next purchase are this 2 perfume. That is one, the first one is from Ramson's, that is La Pale, and the second purchase is from Mamaearth. This is the new launch from Mamaearth in the perfume, that is Me. So these are the 2 perfumes I got in sale. There were a good discount in this, so I got my hands on this. Now this was the end. These are the end of the products. Now after purchasing, I almost purchased something around for 4,000. So this is the free item I got from Nykaa. This is again from Mamaearth, the henna shampoo. I've got it in a sample. So I have never used it, so I'll not be able to say how it works, but definitely if it works good for me, then I'll go for a bigger size. So thanks Nykaa for this free product. So these are the items I got, and this is the box empty. So I hope guys you really enjoyed this video, and these are the products. If you would like to go ahead with any of the products, if you want to purchase anything, all the links will be given in the description box below. If you liked the video, then do give it a big thumbs up. Do like, share and subscribe, and I'll meet you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye friends.